Hi everyone, welcome to Anmol Power BI Corner. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the services provided within Microsoft Fabric. So I hope you all are aware of Microsoft Fabric. Basically, Microsoft Fabric is an end-to-end analytics and data platform which is designed for the enterprises that requires a unified solution, and it encompasses data movement, processing, ingestion, transformation, real-time event routing, and report building, and it offers a comprehensive suite of services including data engineering, data factory, data science, real-time analytics, data warehouse, and databases. As you can see on screen, these are the services provided within Microsoft Fabric. We are going to talk about them in detail further in this video. So let's directly move toward to explore each one of them, what it contains. So whenever you create a new workspace, you will get the option of creating various items. Items are basically like Lakehouse, or we are creating report or dashboards or datasets. So these are termed as items. So we get the list of all these items as you can see on the screen. So these are all the items which we can create within our workspace. So we will explore each one of them in detail and in what services it's included. So let's start with data activator. So at the top you can see that data activators, and basically data activator is used to detect patterns and conditions in your Power BI reports and streaming data. And then we will take actions such as alert users or kick off workflows. And these data activators contain reflex and reflex sample. Both of them are in preview right now. And in the reflex you can see we can monitor dataset queries and event streams for pattern to trigger action and alerts. Next, we have data engineering. So basically, this is part of Synapse data engineering. So we can create a lakehouse and operationalize our workflow to build, transform, and share our data assets. So let's see what the data engineering section contain. So Lakehouse, Notebook, Environment, Spark Job definition are in general availability, and API for GraphQL is right now in preview. And in Lakehouse, we can use it to store big data for cleaning, querying, reporting, and sharing. And it is used to store both structured as well as unstructured data. Then we have Notebook, which is used to explore data and build machine learning solutions with Apache Spark. Then we have Environment, which is used to set up shared libraries, Spark compute settings, and resources for Notebook and Spark job definition. And then we have Spark job definition, which is used to define, schedule, and manage your Apache Spark jobs for big data processing. After it, we have Data Factory. So Data Factory solves complex data ingestion, transformation, and orchestration scenarios using cloud scale data movement and data transformation services. So Data Factory contains two items. One is data flow generation 2 and second is data pipeline. So data flow generation 2 is similar to the Power Query editor if you have used within Power BI. So it is used to prepare, clean, and transform the data. On the other hand, data pipeline is used to ingest data at scale and schedule data workflows. And within the data pipeline, we can insert data flow, notebook, and there are so many options. Then we have data science. So this is the part of Synapse data science, and it is used to unlock the powerful insights using AI and machine learning technologies. So data science contain ML models, experiments, notebooks. It is part of data engineering too. Then environment. So the main thing is ML model and experiment. So ML model is used to create machine learning models to predict outcomes and detect anomalies in the data. And experiments are used to create, run, and track development of multiple models for validating hypotheses. After it, we have Synapse Data Warehouse. So this is used to scale up your insights by storing and analyzing data in a secure SQL warehouse, and it benefits from top tier performance at petabyte scale in an open data format. So this contain warehouse, mirrored Azure SQL database, this is in preview, mirrored Snowflake, this is also in preview, and mirrored Azure Cosmos DB, this is also in preview. So right now we have warehouse in general availability. So this provides strategic insight from multiple sources into entire businesses. And in data warehouse, we can store structured data. And the mirrored thing, you can see these are used to replicate the data from an existing source into an analytics friendly format. After it, we have industry solutions. So these are use out of the box industry data solutions and resources. And here we have sustainability solution, retail solution, and healthcare solution. And in this you can find out the pre-created dataset, sample dataset, notebooks, and ML models which you can use according to your industry. And then we have Power BI. So I hope you all are aware of Power BI, which we use to find insight, track progress, and make decisions faster using rich visualization. In this, we can create report, paginated report, a scorecard, dashboard, data flows, data mart, and streaming data set. Then we have the option for real-time intelligence. So uh, to discover insights from your streaming data quickly, ingest, index, and partition any data source or format, then query the data and create visualization. You can use the real-time intelligence, and you can also create alerts to flag anomalies. And within the real-time intelligence, we have the event house, which rapidly loads structured, unstructured, and streaming data for querying. Then we have KQL query set, which we use to run queries on your data to produce shareable tables and visuals. Then we have real-time dashboards, event stream, and reflex. So these are the services included within the Microsoft Fabric. You can explore it by enabling the Fabric trial. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.